Cattle theft has gone on in Oklahoma since cattle was introduced into this country, as well as everywhere else around the country. Cattle rustling, as we call it, officially it's larceny of a domestic animal in this state, is something that will always be around. And the reason is because cattle are readily available just about anywhere you go in the state. Any county road or any highway you drive down, you can normally see cattle standing on the side of the roadway. These thieves that steal cattle obviously see that, and it's an easy target to hit, and they're easy to get if you know what you're doing. Hey, we're about 15 miles from Mountain View on highway, I believe this is 115, coming southbound. I hope we're going to be able to find you cattle. What do you think happened?
I don't know. I'm really glad they come out. Yeah, it's nice to have somebody that at least cares. Might at least try to catch somebody. And they seem pretty good.
It's pretty devastating. You're talking about 11 700-pound head. You're talking about $11,000 to $12,000 worth of cattle right there. That's a pretty good lick.
It'd tickle me if you could catch them.
Oh, it'll tickle us too.
It'll be hard.
Yeah, it will be.
It's hard.
One of the things that we're up against in this is we don't know for sure when they were taken.
No.
They could have already been sold and already.
They could have.
They could be in New York by now.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't know.
Yeah, because I don't. You know, and we're just scattered out enough.
Yeah. Working the crimes that we work today, our victims are hard. Our victims on these farms and ranches here in Oklahoma are hard-working people that live off the land, and they live. Their tools of their trades are their worn, scarred hands, and these people out here get up before daylight and they go to bed way after dark. They work hard to feed this country. That food that is provided on that table is a result of what some farmer has done. And that's why it's so much of a privilege for me and my agents to work as hard as we work for the farmers and ranchers of this state, is to protect those who can't protect themselves.